Assalamu alaikum. It's me, Sundus Nabeel. My today's recipe is Madrasi Handi. So, Bismillah. Place a pan on heat and add medium-sized sliced onion and 4 to 5 tablespoons of cooking oil. When it turns golden brown, add a green chili and 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Mix well and now make its paste in blender. Next, add 3 to 4 dry red chilies, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 leaf of curry, half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and half teaspoon of black seeds in oil and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 500 gram of boneless chicken. I am using chicken breast. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until its color changes. Now add 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger garlic. Mix well until it turns golden brown. Now add rest of the spices. 1½ teaspoon of coriander powder, 1½ teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed chili, 1 teaspoon of mustard powder, half teaspoon of paprika and salt to taste. Mix well on moderate flame. Now add onion paste we have already prepared and cook well. After 5 to 6 minutes of cooking, add 2 tablespoons of yogurt and mix well. Mix and cook it. Now add 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste. Mix well and cover it for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, add green chilies, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves. Some ginger sticks, it's up to your choice. Cook for more 2 to 3 minutes. See oil on top at this stage. Our Madrasi Handi is ready to serve. I am serving it with chapatis. Enjoy and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.